More go in there.
What? Alright, let me see who brave enough. One person, go around.
One person.
Yes. Come.
Teacher.
Alright, so we are here this morning with the children. So we're going out in the field. We are looking at farmers. Chicken rearing. Yes.
Yeah.
So
Be a big one.
some farmers raise chickens, some raise pigs. And so we are here with the kids this morning to show them animal rearing. Alright. Yeah. Come, Timke. Go up there.
One person.
Careful now.
Alright, don't touch anything there now. I'll kill off the chicken. Cause it don't look like you're afraid at all.
No, see why look at chicken there.
Yeah, don't touch them, you kill them off. Alright?
Let the man touch them.
So some farmers rear chickens. Alright? Some rear pigs, goats.
No goat no there. No goat there. This is one big or a pig out of me.
I say you have to feed them.
I miss the one.
You see the feed?
Yeah.
You have to give them water. If you don't give them any water and feed, what will happen?
Sick.
Hmm?
Sick.
Only sick?
Yes, see water there.
If they don't get any food to eat, what is going to happen to them?
Sick.
They will die. Alright? You have to give them water and food,
Yeah.
or they will die.
Okay. But
Alright, you want to look at the pigs now? Alright, come, we're going to look at the pigs now.
I will soon come back, teacher.
You love chicken, yeah, you come.
Me love chicken too.
Come, Cleon. Alright. Pig bite you, no, come down. What you mean, bite you?
Nah, bite me. Teacher, they have mouth.
Of course.
Yes, they have mouth.
That's what they used to eat and drink. No man, see them here. Come back around you.
Hello. 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 Yes, sir. Hello. I fixed that.
Don't put your hand there, no, bite you.
Hello. Hello. Teacher, no more.
What do you mean?
Hello. Hello.
So you want to come out?
Teacher, I have nose. Teacher, I have nose.
You have nose?
Yes.
Alright.